medium to this.
Nico, first quarter.
Growing up, I was never a fan of rice and beans, aka zili kole. I always needed the right rice with the sauce pot. Now, I know it sounds a little contradicting, but sauce pot is different. It's like a bean puree, and you put that thing with some white rice. Very nice. Now, I always thought making sauce pot was intimidating, so I always stayed away from it. But that's why we got Mama chosen.
Dema blende la, blende avec tout poids la la.
Te met bouille là dedans, blende là tout.
La sauce pas va gagner épice.
On met là, on met poivre.
Eh ben, problème.
After we boil the beans to get them nice and tender, we're going to grab half of them and put them in the pot, and we're going to pass them to